Hey guys, welcome back to Book Shebang.
Let's recap our Book Shebang journey of 2024.
We have read around 24 books in 2024.
And we will be recommending our top favorite books of this year. I have picked around 5 books that I personally loved reading. The first book is The Silent Patient by Alex Michaelides. So this is the best psychological thriller that I have read. I really enjoyed reading it. I couldn't stop myself keeping the book down. This story is where a therapist named Theo, he tries to unravel the mystery of this lady named Alicia who had been silent after she had murdered her husband. This is the best book that you can pick. I would give it a 4 star. The second book is The Five People You Meet in Heaven by Mitch Albom. This story is about a person named Eddie who was working in an amusement park and he was dead by some incident there. This is about Eddie's journey after his death in heaven. So he meets 5 common people there. It's a really good book. As a beginner, I would surely recommend you to read it. I would give it a 4 star. The third best book is A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. This is the best murder mystery that you can pick, and I was enjoying this book so much that I started solving the case myself. This is about Pippa, who is trying to investigate the murder which had occurred in her locality as her project. After reading this book, I have purchased the second and the third part, which I'm waiting to read next year. I highly recommend this book and I give it a 5 star. The fourth book is The Girl Who Loved Tom Gordon by Stephen King. After purchasing this book, I had to Google who Tom Gordon was. He's a baseball player. I came to know it when I purchased the book. This story is about a 9-year-old girl who gets lost in the woods, and she had only a Walkman in her bag, and where she was listening to Tom Gordon's match, and that was the only motivation that she went through, and there was a lot of the mystery and thriller happening. I would surely recommend you this book. This was my first Stephen King book. I really enjoyed it. Do give it a try. I would give it a 4.5 star. The last and the final book is A Thousand Splendid Suns by Khalid Hussein. This book is a mixture of love, hatred and oppressive societal norms. You would surely love this book and I would give it a 4.5 star.
So I have selected around 5 books which I personally loved reading this year, and all these 5 books are of different genres. So the first book that I personally enjoyed reading this year is Steal Like an Artist by Austin Kleon. This book is the first book of its 3-part series, and this is kind of a self-help book. What I personally loved in this book is how you can be creative by taking inspiration, or in Austin Kleon's way, stealing from others. Stealing not in general, stealing the entire thing, but stealing a little bit of each and every person you admire the most and creatively putting it in your work and how you can be creative. So this is why I loved the book, and I would like to give it a 4 star. So the next book that I loved reading this year was Trust No One by Kerry Beavis. This book is a psychological thriller, and it's about a woman who is haunted by her past, and there's a man who is trying to kill her because of something that has happened in her past life. At first the girl thought that it was a joke, it was a prank, but then things started getting serious. I love the premise of the book, and it kept me hooked till the very end. So I would give it a 4 star. The next book that I have read is Before the Coffee Gets Cold. I have read the first and the second part this year. This story revolves around a fictional cafe called as Funikuli Funikula, and any customers who come over there, they could travel back in time and they need to come back before the coffee gets cold. There are a few short stories. There are 4 short stories in each book, and I loved reading the book because the book was very short. It was around 170 to 180 pages. I highly recommend each and everyone to read. I would give it a 4 star. The next book that I would recommend is The Housemaid by Frida McFadden. This book is a psychological thriller and it revolves around a young woman who takes up a job as a housemaid in a wealthy family, and there she uncovers hidden and dark truth about the wealthy family. There's even a movie coming out in 2025 and I've already spoken about this book in our monthly wrap video, so do check out that video as well, and I would give it a 4.5 stars. So the last and final book that I would recommend is Sputnik Sweetheart by Haruki Murakami. This book revolves around the characters Kei, Sumire and Miyu. Kei is in love with Sumire. Sumire deeply desires Miyu. Once Sumire and Miyu go to a Greek island for a vacation, and there Sumire goes missing. And the whole story revolves around this plot where Sumire goes missing and Kei and Miyu find her. This is the best book that you can pick and I would give it a 4.5 stars.
So these are the best books that we read in 2024 and we highly recommend you all to read these books.
For more reviews and recommendations, do check out our Instagram page.
Thank you for watching.
Do like, share and subscribe. See you all. Until next time. Bye.